Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reviewing an Amazon wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. The wig is from Tinashe Hair. Elastic band to wear the wig glueless. Hair clips, wig bag, HD wig caps. This is a glueless wig. Lace looks pre-plucked, fresh out of the box. The curls, it comes pre-curled, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached. The front, one in the back with adjustable straps. But as y'all can see, the laces is huge, which means this is gonna look like a frontal. Even scalp, period.
Energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish?